Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas to those who celebrate, but even if you don't, I've still got a gift for you. So one of the best things about the holiday season is Christmas lights. And one of the most hip to the groove, coolest cat's pajamas things in photography is bokeh. So real quick, I'm going to teach you how to make Christmas bokeh in 60 seconds. Okay, so you know how in the last 17 videos I said I'm going to shorten down the video length? Well, here you go. Okay, so first, grab a lens. The bigger the aperture, the better, so I'm using a nifty 50. Okay, so you're going to want to take off the lens cap, grab a pencil, and trace it on a piece of paper or thin cardboard. This literally came with the Christmas pajama pants I have on now. Next, you're going to draw some sort of Christmas shape in the center of that circle. I'm going to do a Christmas tree, but you can do anything. You could do a star, a snowflake, a snowman, anything like that. In fact, it doesn't even have to be Christmas themed. Next, you're going to cut out the circle, cut out the shape, fit it into your lens snugly, and go out and take some bokalicious photos. If you're really getting into this, you can play around with all the different shapes you could cut out. You can play around with the size of the shapes you cut out, and have fun with it. Anyways, that's it for me. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If so, be sure to drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want, check me out on Instagram. And with that, have a happy holiday, everyone. Okay, so first,